Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing something new today. I'm going to bring you along for a little thrifting haul that I did because I also want to talk a little bit later. This is going to be a short video, but I want to talk briefly about, do you know how to use the stuff you're getting for in case, like the world goes to poo? We'll speak about that in a second, but I wanted to show you my haul because I spent almost nothing for some brand new stuff. And this is a great way if you are on a budget and you're still wanting to like stock up on certain items or even like decorate or just get better gadgets. Goodwill, Salvation Army, thrift stores, anything like that is a great way to go. I'm just saying. There is no shame in my game, especially if I can get brand new stuff in packages for $1. So I guess let's just start with my skewers. So I found brand new skewers for my new grill that I got, which is pretty much how we do summer cooking, especially now that we're in this house and there is an upstairs that gets very hot and we currently have no AC. So like all the cooking is going to be done outside. So 2 different stores I found skewers. These are obviously used, but they are longer. So I did get skewers for outdoor cooking. Knives. Knives are always very important to have. All right, you'll have to excuse my stained cloth. But I have 2 pretty much brand new knives. So this one, I do not believe it has been used at all. Like, it doesn't even have a watermark. So, from where it's been washed. So we have that one. And then I needed a new bread knife. So we have, technically, I guess this is a bread knife too, but whatever. They were very sharp knives, and I'm very excited that I found them. I got this for my kids. It doesn't have, and this is just something else. So this is an expensive little tool. It's not necessary, but it's expensive. And it's nice for picky eaters. But this is an extra large size, and it doesn't have the little spring, but I actually have a little spring because I used to have one of these. And I kept the parts. But yeah, so I got that, $1. A brand new meat thermometer. It even came with the instructions. And so I have this also, just because I've been wanting one for a while. 30 cents, brand new. And then we have this for the grill. It's new. I did get some more wooden spoons because anytime I see some nice wooden spoons, I like to go ahead and pick them up. Something to look for whenever you are wanting, and yes, my nails are dirty. I garden every day. Something to look for whenever you are buying wooden utensils is, first, I like to make sure they're not super thin, because if they are super thin, they're going to break on you easier. But you also just want to make sure there aren't any cracks or nicks, because that's something that you'll have to repair. And so these are really nice. 30 cents each. I had to get more forks, and apparently everyone was out of forks. Goodwill and Salvation Army. But I did find these because my grandpa keeps stealing my forks, and then I can't find them because they're not downstairs either. So, had to buy me some new forks. And then I have a new frother. This was $4. I got it. It's for my collagen and my coffee, and then also I have an immune system powder. It has a bunch of vitamins in it that I put in my water, and so this really helps with that. I got some decor, which I thought that was just super cute, and it'll actually go on my wall right here of random things. We got these brand new, the cords outside. So got those 50 cents each. We got clothesline and clothespins. I got an espresso machine that was $10, and it is practically brand new. This for my cookbook that I am working on. I needed some nice page protectors, and then I got a brand new Happy Planner, undated, for $1.99. And this is, like, it still has all of the stickers in it, and this is a almost $60 planner that I got for $2. And nothing's been written in it. It is brand new. I show you all this to say this is why I love to thrift, because you can save so much money on stuff that you either need or want or both. And it's a great, oh, that's what else I got. We're redecorating, remodeling, whatever you want to call it. I found 3 of these. They're the vinyl adhesive, $2.99, brand new. They're the duct tape brand. I got those too. But I say all this to say, if you're wanting to change up and have wooden utensils instead of plastic, 30 cents each. If you're wanting, sharp knives, 30 cents each. If you're wanting to plan out menus and you want a nice planner, look at a thrift store first and find your deals. The espresso machine, I just told myself if I found a really nice one, because I love coffee and I make it multiple times a day. I just told myself that if I found one that was in good condition for a good price, I would allow myself to buy it. And it was $10 and it's brand new. It might have been used 2 times, 1 time. That's it. But okay. So we talked about my thrifting and also my beautiful tomatoes in the background. But I want to pick your brains and see if anybody would be interested in like a series on, I don't really know how to say it, but like using ingredients that we're stocking up on in bulk, or using utensils that we wouldn't normally use. So say you're new to cast iron cooking. You're wanting to have the ability to cook outside if you have no electricity, or if, the world goes to crap. And so you've prepared, which is great. But have you ever done it? Have you ever cooked over an open flame? Have you ever cooked over charcoal with cast iron, or, without cast iron? That sort of thing. I can do videos on that. Or, you bought whole wheat berries and whole corn kernels, and now you're like, okay, now what? Stuff like that. I would be more than happy to start throwing in videos specifically on like outdoor cooking, or, cast iron cooking, or whatever. Showing like a start to finish dinner, kind of like I did chicken noodle soup a while back, where I started with the whole chicken and took you all the way through making the noodles and making the whole dish from scratch. I want to give you all the videos that you're wanting to see. Now, there's still going to be gardening videos. There's still going to be canning videos, all that good jazz. I even have a couple sewing videos that are going to be coming up. But I want to make sure I'm putting out the info that you're wanting to see. And I'm actually really hope a lot of people want to see the outdoor cooking, because I really want to show y'all the outdoor cooking. Everything has a little bit of a learning curve, which is why I think these videos need to be made. Because you can know how to cook perfectly on an inside stove, But putting your food out on charcoal or putting your food out on a fire out in the middle of the woods, like, it is a whole different ballgame. And so I think it's beneficial to be familiar with cooking that way, or familiar with using the foods that you're buying in bulk. That way, if the time ever arises and you're either out of power or, you just need to start living a different life, you're already comfortable with it. It's going to take away that stress that would normally arise, where you would be like, oh no, I have to start cooking over an open flame, and I've never done it before. You see what I mean? It's really, like, that's what we've been working on a lot over the last year, is really honing in our skills on different methods of doing things so that we're just familiar with it. And so it's like second nature, like doing your laundry without a washer and dryer. That's something else. You can prepare for it and give yourself the equipment needed to do off-grid laundry, but if you've never done it and then all of a sudden you have to be thrown into it, it can be overwhelming. So anyway, I just want to throw that out there, that if you're interested in anything, even if I haven't mentioned it and you want to see it, put it down in the comments section and I will put it on my list of things to do, because I think I've canned like everything there is to can. And while I'm more than happy to keep making those videos, and I plan to, I just want to broaden kind of what my channel is offering. So if you have not subscribed and any of this stuff sounds interesting to you, I hope you subscribe and click the little bell so that you get notified whenever I make a new video, and so you don't miss anything. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you all on my next video. Thanks for watching.